Welcome to the city of Yucaipa. Right behind me, we have a beautiful remodeled first-time home buyer special. Tell us a little bit about this home, man.
Yeah, we're here in Yucaipa, California. This house is 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,052 square feet, and it sits on a 10,500 square foot lot. There's no HOA, low tax rate, probably the best house for $500,000 on the market.
It's $499, right?
That's right, that's right.
$499. Let's go check it out. Come on. And right when you walk in, man, I like what they did here. You know, they kind of got creative with the front. They just didn't fix the patio, right? And they say, hey, but they put the wood here and it gave it a really good look. Yeah. Really, really good look, man.
Totally agree. Adding all the nice grass, landscaping's already done for you. Don't have to worry about having a dirt lot in front of your house.
Nice. All right, let's walk in, Jess.
Check out these numbers right here too. That's a touch.
So walking in, this is gonna be my first time seeing this home. I'm walking in, Jesse's been working with the seller. He is the listing agent for this home. So he's getting these for first-time home buyers all the time. That's like his specialty, working with investors and lining it up for first-time home buyers. Tell us a little bit about what they did in here, man.
So first of all, we added this beautiful electric furnace here, and this wall is accented. We added that as a special touch. And we accented it here with some different wood pieces and coloring. New stovetop, dishwasher. There'll be a refrigerator here included for you in the purchase price. Pretty much everything's brand new. Flooring, lighting, countertops. There's nothing in this house we didn't turn upside down.
So we got, they are gonna include a fridge. The investor's gonna include a fridge here.
Yep.
We got dishwasher, we got the stovetop. We have a beautiful island here. As you can tell, it's 1,052 square feet. They just maximize the amount of space they actually have in here. And you're right, that touch with that accent wall and the fireplace is great. I would probably put my TV there, right, when the time came?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Nice, man,
You put a nice big TV there, pretty sure.
And talk a little bit about what they're still gonna do before closing.
So before closing, we will be adding 3 mini split units to this property. That means there'll be a central unit here in the room and then in the other room as well. We'll be adding a refrigerator here before that time comes. So, I mean, quite a bit is gonna be done here, and it's already done too.
Nice, man, love it. Let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, I always like to go to the bigger bedroom first. Bigger, better. Let's get some lights on in here. All right, so this is gonna be the master here, right?
That's right.
So we got the master bedroom here, pretty decent closet, pretty good size. Typically when you're in these type of older homes, do you know when the home was built?
This one's built in 1958.
1958. So this is gonna be those traditional like track homes in the 50s, right? Where they got the kind of bedrooms all lined up to one side. Now, typically the masters weren't this big. So in those homes, everything was basically 12 by 12. So I like to touch that. This master is gonna be a good one. And if you wanna show them the restroom, bro.
And actually here, we increased the size of this closet. So there wasn't gonna be a master bedroom closet. We extended it out by a couple feet so that way that make sure you have one there.
Nice, and that goes into like the kitchen area.
Yes.
Nice,
yes.
Good, good, good. Yeah, and it's long in here. If you peek your head all the way through, you can see that it's pretty long in there. If you wanna show them real quick, Frank. Let's get some lights in here, brother.
I know that.
All right, show them that restroom, Jesse. Tell them a little bit about it.
All brand new restroom. We added in new fixtures. We have a new vanity here. This shower is all brand new, redone. Brand new toilet. No one's ever sat on it and used it, so you'll be the first one.
Love that, man. Now again, we come into this bedroom and it's a pretty decent size. This is what you can expect with these type of homes. This one seems like it's more like a 12 by 12 maybe. Might be a 10 by 12. A pretty good size, has a traditional closet there. Can you go show us the 3rd bedroom, bro?
Yeah, so we're gonna go show this 3rd bedroom here. So initially this house was actually built with 2 bedrooms. It had a big kind of more so of a loft space. We turned it into a bedroom so that way someone can have their own separate room, and there's a closet in here too.
Nice. All right. So now this bedroom here, it is gonna be a tiny bedroom. Like we're gonna be upfront with you guys, right? It's really small, it's kind of tight. This is gonna be great for somebody who has probably a small family. This can be either a playroom, this could be even used as an office, which would be a really, really good spot. So you can utilize the 2 big bedrooms that we have on this side and then use this as an office, playroom, or maybe even a younger kid's bedroom. But let's go check out the back. We're sitting on a 10,500 square foot lot.
First thing that's great to notice, we added this whole back porch here, which, as you know, I mean, it's a little something that helps people feel just a little more comfortable in their backyard, stepping right out and...
Yeah, because you can put some chairs up here, you can enjoy it. Now, personally for me, I would, when, you know, if I were to buy this home as a first-time home buyer, I would right away work on getting some privacy going on in the back. And again, when we do these videos, guys, we want to tell you all the good and the bad. Now, this is going to be a downside to living here just because it's open right now. But if you cover it up, like if you see that fence there, right, see how it's covered up? You could do that all around and you don't have to worry about seeing those containers. Out of sight, out of mind. But again, we're sitting on a 10,000 square foot lot, right?
That's right, 10,500.
10,500, good space, and this is gonna be an open canvas for you guys to do whatever you like. Now, Jesse, let's talk a little bit about the area. Location-wise, we're driving up here. We passed that big old sign, Yucaipa Historic Area. Tell us a little bit about what's going on over there.
Yeah, so this is obviously one of the most original parts of Yucaipa where you'd be living here. We throw huge city events here for Christmas, Easter, there's country music events, and you would be literally just a 5-minute walk from there. And for anyone that lives in Yucaipa, during these events, there is no parking. So you'd be literally a walking distance. It's restaurants, bars, entertainment. There's plenty of things going on just 5 minutes away from your house.
Yeah, you got a Starbucks 5 minutes, like a little bit further down. I seen a Chase coming up here. You got stores. So when we talk about being super, super far, we were just at a golf course that was 7 minutes away. So we just got back from golfing right now. So there's a ton to do out here, and the beautiful thing about here, you're gonna get bigger lots and it's gonna be a little bit more affordable. So Jesse, if they're looking to take a look at these homes, what do we got to do?
My information is going to be down in the description below. If you want to schedule a showing, text that number and don't take too long. Our last flip here had 16 offers and sold for 25,000 over. So you might want to make a jump soon if you're interested.
Guys, move fast. We're going to try to get this video up as fast as possible. But this also, like let's say you watch this video 6 months later, this is what you can expect in the Yucaipa area. Right now, we're going into November of 2024. So this gives you a good idea of what a 3-bedroom, 2-bath is going to cost you in the area. Cedeno out.